Most phones fear accidents. This one dares you to try. Meet the vivo V60 Lite 5G, the toughest light around. Looks sleek, right? Clean, flat, premium. Even that transparent camera module is clean. But here's the real question. How tough is it? They say it's got SGS 5-star drop resistance, military-grade toughness, strong water resistance, and shield glass. Big claims. Let's put them to the test. We're going to do 4 levels of testing, starting with the desk drop test. Barely flinched. Our second test is a 2-meter drop test. Let's see how the phone did. Alright, as you can see, no scuffs, no scratches. Test number 3, staircase drop test. It still works. Test number 4, the crash test. We have 3 vehicles and 1 motorbike. Can the vivo V60 Lite 5G survive the crash test? Let's check it out. It still works. But it is scuffed a little. Let's get it cleaned up. If it ever gets into water, you can use the one-tap water eject function. Simply go to iManager, Utility Tools, Water Eject, and let it do its magic. Now it looks as good as new. Built for non-stop fun, it packs a stunning 6.77-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with up to 3000 nits brightness, HDR10+ support, and 400% volume dual stereo speakers for full immersion. Powered by the Dimensity 7360 Turbo with 12 plus 12GB of RAM, it delivers smooth gaming and extended playtime. Backed by 5 golden verifications, a super slim 7.79mm body, a massive 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery, 90 watts flash charge charging, 24-dimension super safe security protection, a 5-year battery health guarantee. The vivo V60 Lite 5G has a dual camera system consisting of a 50MP f1.79 wide-angle main camera as well as an 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide camera. While the camera system itself is great, its full potential is unleashed thanks to the AI Master Aura Light Portrait, which intelligently detects ambient color temperature and automatically adjusts its own light temperature for optimal results. Now the room is dark, and let's test the Aura Light feature to see how much of an enhancement it brings to our pictures. We are also going to show you some samples taken under standard room lighting to show what the Aura Light brings. The vivo V60 Lite 5G may be affordable, but don't let its price tag fool you. It's packed with plenty of useful features, a good chipset, large battery, and is built like a tank. It has all this and it still manages to look this good. From crashes to falls, the vivo V60 Lite 5G survives it all. The vivo V60 Lite 5G is available for pre-order now with exclusive gifts worth up to 1,070 ringgit. This includes instant rebate of up to 300 ringgit, free holiday vibes gift set, and a 1+1 year extended warranty. For an additional discount of 100 ringgit, you can use the code VIVOPL100 with Pay Later by Grab or use SPay Later with no code required. Now you have more reasons to own the vivo V60 Lite 5G. You can pre-order it at Vivo Concept Stores, Vivo Official Online Store, and authorized dealers nationwide.